Hi, thanks for tuning in. I'm Mark Greiger from Crane Nuclear. This afternoon we're going to discuss the advantages of the Ultrasonic Accessory Kit for Crane Nuclear's check valve testing system. This Ultrasonic Accessory Kit augments check valve testing. It comes equipped with a high-resolution 2.25 MHz by 1/2 inch UT probe that provides better results when used on stainless steel valves. It also contains a UT reach rod made out of carbon fiber that allows for safer testing from up to 8 feet away, avoiding the need for scaffolding or ladders. The kit includes reusable ultrasound gel couplant pads, wax to redirect sound at obscure angles, and a magnet that allows for no contact adhesion. With our 30 years experience, we have developed this kit to streamline the existing field testing process. We are providing the most efficient and practical approach to check valve testing when using UT. Our considerations behind this kit were to improve safety and reduce dose by eliminating scaffold and ladders, and to keep distance to the valve maximized, reduce rad waste by using reusable gel pads, eliminating the need to use disposable rags to clean off couplant, multiple options for sound transmission entry point using wax as a couplant, and a hands-free transducer mounting with the magnet. Thanks for tuning in. If you need any additional information, you can find us at www.cranenuclear.com.